Most cruise mistakes don't happen on board. They happen before you ever sail. Today, I'm sharing 10 essential cruise tips that can save you money, time, and a lot of unnecessary stress. Hi, I'm Dr. D. Welcome back to Cruise Simply, where we help you discover the world one cruise at a time. In today's video, I'm sharing 10 essential cruise tips every cruiser should know, especially if you want to avoid common mistakes and enjoy a stress-free vacation. Let's sail away. Let's start with what you should do before you even leave home. Before you even think about packing, double check your travel documents. Make sure your passport meets the requirements for your itinerary. Review any visa rules and confirm your cruise documents and boarding passes. A few minutes here can save a major headache later. Once your documents are in order, the next step is making sure you actually get to the ship without stress. I always recommend arriving at your cruise port city at least one day early. Flight delays happen, and arriving early reduces stress and lets you start your cruise relaxed instead of rushed. Once you've got your travel plans in place, the next step is packing. And a little strategy here can make your entire cruise much easier. When it comes to packing, less really is more. Use packing cubes to stay organized. Pack cruise essentials and try to avoid overpacking just in case items you probably won't need. Once you're on board, a little planning goes a long way. Take time on embarkation day to explore the ship. Learn the layout, locate key venues, and discover quieter areas you might enjoy later. That early walkthrough makes the rest of the cruise much smoother. Now that you know your way around the ship, the key to not missing out is staying organized each day. Your daily planner, whether on paper or the cruise app, is your best friend. It shows activities, entertainment, and theme nights so you don't miss out. Don't rely on memory. Check it daily. Now let's talk about choosing the right cruise experience. Not every ship is right for every cruiser. Some ships focus on high-energy attractions, while others emphasize relaxation and enrichment. Choosing a ship that matches your travel style makes a huge difference in how much you enjoy your cruise. Even with a great ship, how you plan your days really matters. It's easy to overschedule on a cruise. I recommend choosing one or two must-do activities each day and leaving room to relax. Some of the best cruise moments happen when you slow down. Let's talk about everything you already get included. Cruise fares include far more than many people realize. From dining and entertainment to live music and ship-hosted activities, taking advantage of what's included adds incredible value to your cruise. Being aware of what's included also helps you spend smarter. Instead of avoiding spending completely, be intentional. Decide what experiences matter most to you. Keep an eye on your onboard account and enjoy what you already paid for. And finally, one last tip that really matters at the end of your cruise. Finally, budget ahead for gratuities, drinks, and souvenirs. Planning for these extras ahead of time helps you end your cruise relaxed, not surprised by the final bill. When you plan ahead, cruising becomes easier and more enjoyable. Knowing what's included Choosing the right ship and being intentional with your time and spending helps you make the most of every single day. Thank you for choosing Cruise Simply. What's your favorite cruise tip? Drop it in the comments. From me to you, have a great cruising day. Until next time.